Sairam, dear children, welcome to EVS class. Let us start our class by chanting Omkaram 3 times. Om. 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 Sairam, children. Children, yesterday we couldn't complete the discussion of question answer, isn't it? Because the network problem was there. So we will continue this. Okay. Let us see the worksheet first. Question answers. Okay. Children, let me to take the question answers, please. First. Okay, children. Okay. So already we have discussed the utensils that we are using for cooking, isn't it? Eating and also for serving purpose, isn't it? So these are the questions regarding that cooking utensils. Okay, children. Name the utensils for cooking. We have seen that pressure cooker, frying pan or kadai, saucepan, griddle or tawa, pot, ladle, spatula, skimmer, etc. Okay, children. We will just revise it. Name the utensils for eating and drinking. Bowl, it is for serving purpose. Glass for drinking juice or water. Plate for eating food, and spoon also. Fork is also. Okay. Then that ladle is for serving. Bowl, glass, plate, spoon, fork, ladle, etc. Now, what are utensils made of? Utensils are made of different things. It may be aluminium, it may be stainless steel, iron, brass, copper, etc. Okay, children. Now, what kind of utensils were used in earlier days? In earlier days, people used the utensils of brass, copper, clay, means soil, earthen pots. Okay, children, for cooking. They used leaves also for serving. Sal leaves or banana leaves for serving. These were discussed yesterday also. Due to some problem we couldn't continue it. So we have discussed. Now we are going to learn about methods of cooking. So we have to open Tata Class Edge. Let me to take Tata Class Edge first. Okay, children? School's name? Yes. Password is given and I'm going to sign in. Class 3. The son's name is what is cooking. Now we are going to see method of cooking. This is the video for you. Let us enjoy the video. Okay, children?
Yay! We are having a picnic. We have yummy things in our lunch boxes. Click next to find out what.
See, these children are having picnic. They brought lunch boxes also. Yummy things are inside it. So we have to find out what are they. Okay, children? So I want to go to next one.
There is something in my lunchbox made of flour, sugar, eggs, and butter. What is it? Click the correct food item.
Okay, children. These are the raw materials, means without cooking, before cooking. So, raw materials are flour, means atta, sugar, eggs, and butter. So, for these 4 things are given, we have to find out which food item can be cooked from these raw materials. Okay, let us see. Which one? Idli? No. Puris? No. Then let us see. This
I
one.
have got
Yes.
cake in my lunch box.
Yes. He brought cake in his lunchbox. Next.
How is a cake made? Click the correct cooking method.
Now we have to see the cooking method. Whether it is steamed, whether it is fried or it is baked. Which one? Yes, your guess is correct. Let us see. I want to click it. Okay.
Cake is made by
Yes.
baking.
Yes, it is made by baking. Next.
There is something in Jiggy's lunchbox made of flour, water, salt, and oil.
Yes.
What is it? Click the correct food item.
Yes, we have to click the correct food item by seeing these raw materials. Flour, water, salt, oil. Here it is. No. This one, salad. It is raw, isn't it? So, it may be this one. Let us click this.
Jiggy has got puris in his lunchbox.
Yes. It is puri. Okay. It is made of flour, water, salt. And it is fried in oil, deep fry. Okay. In oil. Okay, children. Now, next.
How a puri is made? Click the correct cooking method.
Now we have to click the correct cooking method. Which one? Steaming? Baking? No. Then, yes, it is frying.
Puris
Let
are
us.
made by
Yes.
frying.
Yes, it is correct. Frying. Next one.
There's something white in Jia's lunchbox made of rice, dal, water, and salt. What is it? Click the correct food item.
Actually, he said that one the food item it is white in color. We can give a guess, isn't it? But we will see the raw material. What are the raw material? Rice, dal, water, and salt. What will be the answer? Yes, this one, idlis. You know,
Jia has got idlis in her lunchbox. How are idlis made? Click the correct cooking method.
cooking method we have to find out from these options: baking, frying, and steaming. Which one? Yesterday also we had discussed about it. Yes, let us see.
Idlis are made by steaming.
Yes.
Now you know that food is cooked from raw food materials using different cooking methods. And now it's time to enjoy our picnic lunch.
Oh,
Bye.
so they are enjoying the picnic, isn't it, children? So food is cooked from raw food materials using different cooking methods. Okay, children. Now we have to see the quiz also. Okay. What is the question? Which of these is the correct way of cooking the food shown? What is this? First, you have to see the food item. What is it? Yes, it is puris. No. So, is it baking, frying, boiling, roasting? Which one? Yes, it is frying. Let us see. Let us submit the answer. Yes, your correct answer is correct. Now, second question. Which of the following is not a correct method of cooking? Cooking utensils are cleaned properly. We have to clean the utensils, isn't it, for cooking? Ingredients. Ingredients mean the things we have to add to make our food tasty, isn't it? Like salt, pepper, turmeric powder, coriander powder, isn't it? These are the ingredients needed are kept ready before cooking. Yes, before cooking, we have to keep all the things get ready. Cut the onion, chop the onions, chop the tomatoes, everything. So it is very easy to cook. Okay, children? Otherwise, we have to, yes, use more fuel also. We have to wait. Okay, so we have to keep the things aside ready. Now, pulses are cooked in a big vessel. I told you that pulses will take time to cook, isn't it? So, we have to soak overnight in water, and also we have to give pressure to it, isn't it? Otherwise, what happens? Yes, the consumption of fuel is also more and time is also more. No, vegetables are washed before cutting. Yes, we have to wash the vegetables thoroughly before cutting. Isn't it, children? Okay, so which will be the option? It may be this one. Let us see. Yes, we are going to submit it. Yes, your answer is correct. Now, third question. Dashin is an important ingredient of cooking. Pulse, is it necessary? Rice, is it necessary? Chili powder, is it necessary? It is important. Yes, water. We have already learned that water is very important for cooking, drinking, isn't it? So let us see this one. Let us submit. Yes, it is also correct. Now, next question. Which of the following need to be cooked before eating? Some food items we can eat raw, isn't it? See, this is cucumber. We can eat cucumber without cooking. This is mango. Ripe mango we can eat raw. This is lemon. We can use the lemon juice also. So these things we can use raw. But what is this? This is rice. Rice we cannot use it raw. We will not digest, no. So we have to cook it for making it soft. So let us see which one is the correct answer. Submit. Yes, it is also correct. Now, next one. Which of these statements is correct? Flour is eaten raw. What is flour? Yes, atta. Now, pulses are eaten raw. Sugarcane is eaten raw. Fruits are eaten raw. How many of you like to eat fruits? Yes, we eat fruits raw only, isn't it? So, children, be careful. You have to wash the fruits thoroughly, okay, before eating it. Okay, children? Let us see the answer is correct or not. Yes, it is also correct. Now we are going to the next question. Which of the following is used for cooking the given food? See, what is this? I think this is an omelette. Okay, so what are the, which of the following used for cooking? Rice is needed? Banana is needed? No? Wheat? No? Egg? Yes. Let us click it. Now, see the correct answer. Yes, it is also correct. Now, the last question. Which of the following is a method of cooking food? Wood, coal, gas, boiling. See, these three are the fuels we use for cooking. The correct answer may be boiling. Let us see, is it correct or not? Let us click it. Yes, submit here. Yes, this is also correct. So, now we are going to stop this class, Tata class edge. Let me log out. Yes. Now, we are going to learn the methods of cooking in our worksheet. See, it is written here. Methods of cooking. Method of cooking and the name of items that can be cooked. Roasting. Peanuts. Peanut means groundnut and potato. So many things we can roast, isn't it? We can roast corn also, chena also. So many things. So many things we can roast it. Okay, children. Now boiling. Boiling examples are food items that can be boiled, milk, egg. Frying, yes, puri, samosa. Baking, bread, cake. Steaming, idli, dhokla. So these are the cooking methods and these are the food items that can be cooked by using these methods. Okay, children? Now, food is cooked from raw food materials using different cooking methods. I think all of you understood. Children, is it clear to all? Am I audible, children?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Clear.
yes, very good. Now I am going
Ma'am.
to show you a page from your textbook. Okay, children? It it will take time to open. You have to wait for. Okay, okay, it is. Is it visible, children?
Yes, ma'am. What is cooking?
What is cooking? Chapter number 10. Yes. So you
Okay, okay,
have
ma'am.
to, oh yes, look at the picture and you have to color the spaces which have dots in them. See here dots are given. So you have to color the dotted parts and then some utensils will visible. Then what do you see? You have to write here that you have to write the name of the utensils that you have seen in this picture. Is it clear to all children? Now we are going to stop today's class. We will do Shantipat. Okay, children? Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sai Ram, children.